Greetings, community. My name is Dr. Marcus Adeshiwa Penn. I am faculty at Samuel Merritt University, and I want to share with you some facts. Did you know that just listening to birds chirp, that hearing the wind blow, and just being around green areas can reduce your stress, can actually reduce your sensation of pain, and increase your overall sense of feeling good. So just wanted you to know that, because I will share a little more about that in the Promise Zone event on May 14th. So hope to see you there.